Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line up UI good settings. Here, like this, in this page, you go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go to above to search about line up. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget